there, groovy guys and gals, and anyone in between. My name is Ian Gerard, the CEO and product architect for Adder Mobile Technologies, and today I'd like to show you about the Rolling Adz application, which I've just installed on my phone. It's recently updated to now include a splash screen, a first-time loading screen that explains a little bit about our app. What it says is, before we get started, Rolling Adz is a GPS-enabled route and mileage logger app for drivers that want to make extra cash with their semi or box truck. This app collects location data to enable tracking and mileage statistics, even when the app is closed or not in use. This data is collected for the purpose of providing advertising analytics for Rolling Adz. And there's a nice big button at the bottom that says Enable Location Tracking. So allow this app, Rolling Adz, to access this device's location? Absolutely, we have to do that. Otherwise, the app doesn't work for Rolling Adz. And in that case, the advertisers that put the ads on the sides of your box truck or semi won't know where you went with their ads. So that's why it's important. Go ahead and allow it. And then we'll log in. We're at the login screen. You can register for an account on the Rolling Adz website. We provide a convenient link for it right here, as well as a link to their privacy policy at the bottom of the page. But for now, we're just going to log in using our email address and our license plate number, which I'm not going to show you mine. Bear with me while I do this. We'll log in. Whoop. Can't see that. Uh-oh. Might have put in the wrong. Oh, had a space after my license plate number. Don't need the space there. We'll hit the Start Tracking button right here, which will start tracking my location. You can see exactly where I am right now at Adder HQ in Shepherdsville, Kentucky. Beautiful place. Check it out sometime. There's a feature here that allows you to show your trip tail. So if you hit the little trip button up here, Show Trip, it'll show a tail of coordinates following where you've been to make sure that the tracker's working properly. To stop tracking, simply hit Stop Tracking and then log out. Simple as that. Again, I'm Ian Gerard, CEO and product architect for Adder Mobile Technologies, showing how the Rolling Adz mobile tracker works and what it does with location permissions. This data is used specifically for the purpose of providing advertising analytics, and any information provided to Rolling Adz for driver registration will be kept private. Thanks again.